Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang kuya kiniki di ba na bagi advertisement?
Balay sila penjara na di. Papinyan kerpang ni. Like link bang kasyulong advertisement.com. Pinyo buwan ki jingbym na. Bat ki berta ki shula. Link bang kasyulong advertisement.com.
Oh, kumta mo? Bilay si Bon.
Umentirang ba kajala megalia konrad ke sangma hakakat arterik ujumang arajar arwa lolomi ke jinglang ki seng sain perthei ke kyrshan ya ke Sorkar Megalia Democratic Alliance MDA ringkat ke jingthumu ban wanra ya ke jingejan ba ke jingemir jumut halor ki mat ba per hapading kinong thau ai bat kinong yelam ulong ba kinong yelam kilapan pa ya ke sokhia halor kamat kaput bat nakaliang jong uhi ulapan sya ya ki ulaban rap ba omdan ru kiban ong ban pha pet nya ya ka memorandum of understanding MoU penbit put balai soi hapadeng kejala Megalia bat Assam.
This is a normal MDA coordination meeting which we try to have whenever possible. The idea is to really bring the legislatures and also the party leaders together so that we can share and discuss about issues that are there. So many issues were discussed. I'm sure the other members of the coordination committee must have already shared with you the different issues and concerns. So basically they had some concerns about the border issues, so we had given them clarifications on the border issue. Then they had concerns about some of the issues of education, about the CUET and other things. So while we were in the meeting, the letter from Dharmendra Pradhanji also came in, so it was a good timing for us in one way. And where Dharmendra Pradhanji has specifically mentioned that the other colleges can continue their admissions on the basis of how they used to do before, which means that CUT will not have to be taken. Apart from that, there was other concerns that were being raised by them, which we tried to address, and so that was it. So as I said, it's a regular meeting in which we try to have every now and then.
Suggested or request the government to review the MoU?
No, none of the partners suggested or asked us to review the MoU.